What's up, YouTube? Got this in today. It's a Reolink 5 megapixel doorbell, and we're gonna unbox it, see what's in here, and hook it up, and see how this thing works. Well, see how it works compared to my Ring Pro doorbell. Let's go. All right. Well, it has this seal. Do not accept if seal is broken. So let's break the seal, I guess. Let's see, so we got paperwork or whatever, of course. We got, let's just pull this out. So we got the actual doorbell. Let's set this to the side here. What else we got? So we got a RJ45 or something cable. Looks like a power adapter. Looks like another cord for the power adapter. Some type of extensions, maybe. Looks like an angle plate, which I believe on the Ring I had to buy separately. And it also has this metal bracket. A short power adapter. And we got some screws. And it came with a SD card. 64 gigabyte. Wasn't expecting that, but that's it. So let's move all this to the side. Let's see what we got here. So this is the actual camera, or not camera. It's plastic. There's the back here. You know, I'm not absolutely sure, but I was hoping this is going to connect power to my doorbell that's already in there. Like a speaker. Well, we'll peel that off when we get it installed, but I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. This, I believe, this does not use the regular chime. So I believe you have to use this chime. I could be wrong. But looks like it has a volume, maybe. Anyways, well, short, sweet unboxing. Let's get it installed, see what it takes, and I may go through this instructions. If something needs to be pointed out, I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so it says hit the Reolink, and you're going to scan the QR code. Looks like choose Wi-Fi. Okay, so we need to plug this in. I just have the adapter plug into the wall, and then I have this piece in the back. Alright, now it's asking if I heard a voice prompt. So let's see. Oh, there it is.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install the Reolink app and scan
So
the
I
QR
hit
code
next.
on the camera. Willkommen bei Reolink. Bitte Reolink-App installieren und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen.
Okay, you have to hit the arrow,
Bienvenue à
then
Reolink.
hit next.
Benvenuto. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Plug the chime into the socket. Oh, let's see, do I have a socket around here? Looks like I can't use this anymore. So let's go wire this up. Alright, well, this is what we're going to be replacing the new doorbell with. The old Ring Pro. Alright, I am connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see how long it takes. That's pretty quick. Let's click on it. There it is. Not bad. I haven't messed with anything. That was the first try. So let's get it off of let's go ahead and back out of this. Let me turn Wi-Fi off. Alright, so now we're on a LTE connection. You know what? Let me go ahead and put some sound on. Alright, so let's try it again. Try to get some good angle here. Oh, that's pretty fast. Let's click it. Alright, well, there it is. There's my first impression. So, you know, or first, that was actually the first 2 times I checked it. Seems to be working pretty good. Alright, let's see how long it takes from the doorbell. Boom, that's pretty quick. Let's click on it. Let's see. Oh, he already took off.